will not be conducted. This test is conducted to give you the opportunity to ensure that your radio alarm system is in good working order. This has been a test. The 11 a.m. area weather observations. At Richmond, cloudy. Temperature 69, dew point 64, relative humidity 84%. Wind south 10 miles an hour. Pressure 30.08 inches and falling. The report from Chesterfield was not available. This is a test of the All Hazards NOAA weather radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built weather radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and the warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings in selected watches affecting the listening area. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Charlottesville and the surrounding KZZ 28 listening area. Rest of today, mostly cloudy. County in north-central North Carolina. Caswell County in north-central North Carolina. The city of Danville in south-central Virginia. Charlotte County in south-central Virginia. Southern Campbell County in central Virginia. Pittsylvania County in south-central Virginia. Halifax County in south-central Virginia. Southeastern Henry County in south-central Virginia until 12:15 p.m. At 11:08 a.m., severe tropical showers were located over Climax or near Chatham, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Numerous trees were reported down in Hanging Rock and Martinsville. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Danville, Eden, Reedsville, South Boston, Alta Vista, Wentworth, and Madison. This includes the following location: Danville Airport. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage across Southside Virginia and northwest North Carolina. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downed trees or large limbs, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KZZ 28, broadcasting from the National Weather Service office in Sterling, Virginia, and transmitting on a frequency of 162.450 megahertz from an antenna located in Charlottesville, Madison, Orange, Prince William, and Stafford, and the following independent cities in Virginia: Manassas, Park, and Manassas. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Orange County in central Virginia, Culpeper County in northern Virginia, southern Fairfax County in northern Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, Prince William County in northern Virginia, Stafford County in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas in northern Virginia, the city of Manassas Park in northern Virginia, Madison County in northwestern Virginia, until 7 p.m. At 1 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Stafford, Centerville, Dale City, Reston, Springfield, Fredericksburg, Fairfax, Culpeper, Fort Hunt, Groveton, Huntington, Warrenton, Fort Belvoir, Orange, Woodbridge, Quantico, Madison, Aquia Creek, Potomac Creek, Lake Ridge. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. This is a statement from the National Weather Service has issued a flood warning for Buckingham County in central Virginia until 1:45 p.m. Friday. At 7:44 a.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain due to showers and thunderstorms. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Several creeks and streams are out of their banks. The Slate River near Arvonia is out of its banks and flooding. Some locations that will experience flooding include Buckingham, Dillwyn, Andersonville, Toga, Centenary, Goldville, and Wingina. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of flooding, including mudslides or flooded roads, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flood warning for the Roanoke-Stanton River at Brookmeal. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in Virginia, Albemarle, Greene, Madison, and Orange, and the Virginia independent city of Charlottesville. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood warning for Albemarle County in central Virginia, Greene County in central Virginia, southwestern Orange County in central Virginia, the city of Charlottesville in central Virginia, southwestern Madison County in northwestern Virginia until 9:30 p.m. Thursday. At 3:22 p.m., the Virginia Department of Transportation reported several roads blocked by high water due to runoff from earlier rainfall. Some locations that may experience flooding include Charlottesville, Crozet, Stannardsville, Free Union, Campbell, Westmoreland, Hollymead, Gordonsville, Ruckersville, Ivy, Scottsville, Ismont, Carsbrook, Barracks, Newcomb Hall, Earlersville, Scott Stadium, Monticello, Fullerton, Advanced Mills. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, flood stage is 12.9 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage like this afternoon to a crest of 13.5 feet tomorrow morning. It will then fall below flood stage early Sunday morning. Impact at 13.5 feet. Portions of Huguenot Flatwater Park begin to flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 13.5 feet on February 9, 2020. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for the James River at Richmond Locks. From this evening to late Saturday night. At 6:54 a.m. Friday, the stage was 2.2 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river will fall to 2.1 feet and then begin rising late this morning. It will then rise above flood stage late this evening to 9.9 feet late tomorrow morning. It will fall below flood stage late tomorrow evening to 3.6 feet and then begin It will then rise again to 4.2 feet Sunday afternoon. It will fall again and remain below flood stage. Impact at 9.0 feet. The Encaros boat landing is closed at this level. Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 10.3 feet on April 16, 2020. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a flood warning for the James River at Richmond Locks. From this evening to late Saturday night. At 6:54 a.m. Friday, the stage was 2.2 feet. Flood stage is 8.0 feet. From this evening to Saturday morning. At 10:05 a.m. Friday, the stage was 14.7 feet. Flood stage is 16.0 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. Is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 16.1 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Impact at 16.0 feet. Water approaches back of homes on Old Plank Road, upstream of Gage.